Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari AFL Group ingin mempresentasikan tentang produk kami, yaitu aplikasi Parkir Pledge. Kelompok kami beranggotakan Muhammad Al-Ghifari, Farida Yuliandini, dan Arsila Galih Rarasyanti. Yang pertama itu ada Customer Segment. Gains need an application or service that can help them to find an empty and safe parking space. Pains, there is no application that can help them to be able to find an empty and safe parking lot. Customer jobs, customer park their vehicle in a viable parking lot. Yang selanjutnya ada value proposition, gain character, application that can help customer to be able to find land parking that is available and can find out whether the available parking space has been filled or not, so that customer don't need to bother looking for an empty parking lot. Find Revelis, application to make it easier to find available parking space. Product and service, we have many promo. This application easy to use, and they can use it just by phone. Next, solution. First, how are you solving the problem? We purpose to will create an application to make it easier for you to find available parking space and even to solve the problem. 2. How is the customer addressing the problem today? They choose to keep looking for their own parking space. They are also those who prefer to stay at home, and not a few of them want to use this application to help them find a parking space to make it easier. 3. How will your solution make the customer life better? Make an application for help them to find a available parking space.
This is about our Land Business Canvas. The first is problem. Someone's difficult in finding available parking space at a curtain event. Second is earn extra cash by renting a parking space near the event for the period. Second, customer segment. Marketing service in the form of application to people with a minimum age of 17 years old and over or already having a driver license and especially having a vehicle. Second is the customer segment, primarily is B2B and B2C, people who have event with extra parking space. Third is unique value proposition. The service we offer are in the form of application that can help customer to find available parking space easily just by looking at the application and finding alternative parking space. Fourth is solution, an application that can connect guests with the parking lot at the event. Fifth is channels. Our channel is social media like Instagram and Facebook, billboard, or word of mouth. Six is key metrics, selling service with a target of 50 events. Seventh is cost structure. First is variable cost, our application development cost, tool cost, and shipping cost. And the second is fixed cost, our development cost, promotion cost, and equipment cost. Eight is revenue streams, consumer or event owners who will use our service to assist them in carrying out an event. And the last one is unfair advantage, so we don't have it. So this is our competitor analysis. First is Cari Parkir. They have a price 50,000 for hours. They have a features, present the lucky feature that can book parking in front of the mall lobby, and the reserved parking capacity will be secured at the destination location. Second is Parky. They have a price 20,000 for hours, can see parking availability when looking for a parking location, and can use the application to pay parking tickets. And the last one is Parking ID. They have a price 30,000 per hours, and they have filters. Parking for motorbikes or two wheels is easy with cashless at all locations. Next, prototype and product. This application, they can access the features then access the application, such as being able to see parking lots available, can see the available parking space capacity, so you can park your vehicle easily with our proposed application. The benefit that customer will receive is that there is a discount that we provide, then this application is free and the payment method is easy. So this is about our basic financial plan. You can see our startup cost, fixed cost for a month, variable cost per customer, revenue for 30 days, customer per days, and this is about our summary.
Marketing and sales. Our target market for consumer who hold an event to make it easier for their guests to find a favorite parking space quickly and practically. Just by looking through our application, Marketplace or our product is one application that consumer can book a parking area in advance remotely with a predetermined time limit, which of course can save time for consumer, unlike park competitor. Channels that we select: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and all of social media platforms. Sales pitch: when there are customers who have events and don't want to have trouble providing parking space, so they use our service. Then customers who use and download the application that we have made. Target marketing: 15 customers who have a very large event and need parking spaces that are easy to find. Leads: 11 of them need a solution make it easier for guests to find parking space. Opportunity: prospect: people who often hold and visit an event in the DKI Jakarta area. Customer: we have the ability to accept a maximum of 4 customers, 1,000 cars per hour, even weekly in our company. So this is our team: Muhammad Al-Ghifari as CEO, Fani Daryandini as CMO, Arsilah Galia Larasyanti as CTO. Sekian presentasi dari AFL Group. Apabila ada kesalahan mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.